If you are looking for an easy, fast, and healthy way to lose weight, especially get rid of the fat that accumulates around the stomach, then definitely try this drink. You will get amazing results. This drink not only serves to lose weight, but it also helps to purify the body thanks to its fiber and pectin content. Also, it can cleanse the body from toxins, prevent chronic diseases like heart attacks, strokes, and lower the level of cholesterol in the body. The first ingredient of this recipe is apple. We need 1 apple and cut it into pieces. Apple is rich in fiber, which is ideal for those wanting to lose weight because it fights against unwanted cravings and slows down digestion. So, you can feel full longer and restrict your caloric intake, thus helping to lose weight. And this randomized experiment on overweight women proves it. The subjects who had consumed apples during their diet observed a significant drop in their weight. Apples are also a good source of a soluble fiber pectin, which can help detoxify metals and food additives from the body. It's best to eat only organic apples, as non-organic varieties were among the top 12 foods found to contain the most pesticide residues. Now, add the apple into a blender. The next ingredient of this recipe is oatmeal. Within oatmeal, there's a special kind of fiber called beta-glucan, which activates the feeling of satiety, a biological mechanism that allows you to resist the unwanted cravings, undermining your diet. Doctors believe that the fibers in oatmeal bind to cholesterol molecules and carry it out of the body. Too much cholesterol compromises your health and can lead to cardiovascular disease. However, there are 2 kinds, the good and the bad. Research shows that oatmeal can reduce bad LDL cholesterol by as much as 10% in people who eat a bowl of oatmeal a day. Good news for people with high cholesterol. Now, add a tablespoon of oatmeal into the blender. Next, add 300 milliliters of water. Blend all ingredients together until the consistency is smooth. There you go. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes in the fridge, and this delicious smoothie is ready to be enjoyed. Pour the smoothie into a cup and enjoy it. You can also sprinkle it with cinnamon as per your convenience. For an additional slimming effect, you can add flax or chia seeds to this drink, which are ideal to activate weight loss. Consume this smoothie as a breakfast or as a snack. It is also essential in parallel with this treatment to adhere a balanced diet program and to resumption of physical activity.